I have received a package. I don't know what this is, but let's check it out. Now my ass opened it. Let's check this out. Oh, frick. Why is that sound stuck? Great. Oh, great. Hold on. Wait just a second.
Oh, great. Open. Sesame. Great.
Hold on. Ain't no way. It's Sound Bandit FM. Oh my god. Let's see. Okay. Hey, Teeter. It's your girl, Sound Bandit. Sorry, this took so fucking... Oh, wow. These past couple of years has... What? Beside this shiny moment. Okay, I kept this one CD for you. Thank you for doing the lines, Yuma. Oh, man, wow. This is incredible. Sound Bandit FM. Thank you, Sound Bandit. I didn't expect this.